Williams is fighting fit again after coming down with food poisoning. Take That had to cancel a gig in Copenhagen earlier this month after he fell ill.
Yeah, I got shellfish poisoning and it feels like death. And on the top of it, I got insomnia too. So I didn't sleep for like 3 days and I was
Sorry, what was that, Robster? So you basically turned into a monkey then?
It was horrendous. Still did a show in Holland though, even though I was still poorly. I'm a trooper.
Well, I'm sure the thousands of screaming women made you feel better. Take That play their final gig in Munich tonight.